Right, so just arrived in the Hotel Minsk on a busy street. So I've just arrived in Minsk. Go out, try to change some money, get some Belarus rubles, and see Independence Square, which is just down there, according to the map. This is Independence Square. Looks like it's under some sort of refurbishment. There's my hotel over there, which says Minsk on top. Now I'm just wandering through still. Oh, there's a grand building with what looks like a statue of Lenin. So that's the train station, and that over there is known as Minsk Gates. Excellent, proper hammer and sickle on there. Minsk seems to be full of casinos. There's one, Diamond Princess, with that building. But where I'm heading, hopefully, is the old KGB headquarters. And over there behind me is a statue of the founder of the KGB. And this church is the oldest one in Minsk, St. Peter's and Paul's. Some apartment blocks behind. I think where I am is a Jewish memorial, because this is like the ghetto part of Minsk. And when Germans came, they executed like 5,000 people here. I think this is it. But certainly in this area, definitely is. There's an Israeli flag there. And there's some Hebrew writing. So it looks like the 2nd of March, 1942. Gigantic Belarus flag. So I'm walking down here towards the church. I just walked right along there. On a bridge over the river. There's a fisherman down there. I don't know if there's ever much luck. So this is the Mary Magdalene Church. I don't know why there's a soldier stationed there. Let's have a look inside. Got past the guard, he didn't say anything. Excellent dome. Woman tending some flowers. Right, so that's the church done. Now I'm going to walk and I'll find something called the Island of Tears. So you look over there. Could be in Germany, couldn't it? It looks really quaint and all those nice houses. But then when you look here, yeah, back to Sovietness. It's a memorial to Soviet soldiers, or Russian soldiers who died fighting the Afghan war. These like the wives and sisters and daughters of the Soviet troops. This is the Angel of Belarus. So yeah, the Island of Tears. Although the ducks seem fairly happy. So this is the Holy Spirit Church. Quite a nice one. Looks like the Georgian embassy over there. We're heading over there, I think. This is the famous gum department store. Last time I saw one of these, it was in Moscow. There's the Palace of the Republic, and there's another government building. I don't know if I'm allowed to take photographs, so a bit sneaky standing next to this hedge thing. Yeah, a massive square. Huge. That building, I think, is the circus building. I've just come across a sculpture part, another one. This one's a bit more to my liking. Well, yeah, Belarus, Minsk seems really good, really safe, no hassle. It's worth coming here. Just behind me over there is where Lee Harvey Oswald used to live, the person who assassinated JFK. He defected to Russia, the Soviet Union, in his 20s in the 1960s, and over there somewhere I'm going to try to see if I can find it. Found it. That's where he lived. Lee Harvey Oswald. He even got married here and had a kid before he went back to America and shot the president. Here we are. Look at that, fantastic. There's even a red star there on the street light. An underpass towards it, the Victory Monument. Found this. Obviously to do with the Second World War, judging by the dates. Hopefully it will be stairs. Eternal flame. Engravings, heroic deeds. It's like this wreath was left by the Azerbaijan president. Right, I'm walking through a graveyard. Some bloke there probably died in the war. It's quite strange seeing graves so close to the church. Good one. Excellent. Onion domes. So that's most of the major sites of Minsk done, I think. And get something to eat and then see what's what. Come in. God, I can read Cyrillic, so I'm going on this line. So there you are, I did it. And that cost me 12 pence. 12 pence. And this brought me out near the President's Palace. There's loads of guards about, so I've got to be careful. Just before I go to the museum, this is like an old Soviet building. Look at it, it's all got the stars, and there's even a tank over here. Amazing. There's tons of soldiers and guards and militia around. I'm expecting to be stopped at any moment. So far so good. The museum. So in we go. Well, I'm inside and I paid an extra fee to be able to take photographs. It's pretty gruesome back there of all the people who were hanged. Wish I could read the sign. I'm not even sure where I am in the museum. Some woman just been trying to talk to me and point out stuff, but I didn't understand a word she said. So, back to the hotel. So, goodbye from Minsk and Belarus.